A woman calling you baby or sweetheart means nothing. A woman buying you gift means nothing. A woman becoming the mother of your child means nothing. A woman moving in with you means nothing. A woman posting you all over social media means nothing. Even a woman saying she loves you means nothing. A woman sharing her food with you means nothing. A woman always waiting for your call or message. That too means nothing. And let me surprise you. A woman marrying you also means nothing. What truly matters is a woman who genuinely respects, values, and stands by you, who is willing to grow with you, support you, and build a life with you. That, my friends, is what truly means something. If you agree with me, type 100 in the comment.